If you want to call and set up a voicemail on OnePlus 15R, first of all, we can open the phone app. Next, on the keypad, we should be able to press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. And after that, you should be able to set it up by following the instructions that you will hear on the call. However, in case you cannot reach voicemail like that, what you can do is you can go back to the home page. We're gonna tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner. And then we're gonna go to settings. Now over here in settings, choose voicemail. Then eventually, or optionally actually, you might need to tap on your SIM in order to proceed. Now in here, go to advanced settings, and then we have the number. This is the voicemail number, which might be, for example, incorrect, or maybe this field is empty. If that's the case, you will need to provide the voicemail number to be able to speed dial it. And if you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can try to contact your operator or service provider and ask them about it. Or you can just simply try to Google that information. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.